Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you, but before we get into that we're going to get ourselves a nice glass of whiskey. This is Wild Turkey 101 and I actually got this recommended by World Money Wins. He went through his bourbon collection and this was one of them that he recommended. Now it's not a particularly expensive one, but it is quite strong. Look, 50.5%. So it's one of the more stronger whiskies and it actually tastes really, really nice. So Well Money Wins, thank you very much for the recommendation. Very, very nice indeed. Now, I've got a number of items built up again to unpackage. Just getting some of them together now to give you an idea of how much stuff I have. A real nice selection there of things to unpackage. Now I do like to spread them out across videos because otherwise the videos end up being too long. So in today's video we're going to pick this one. Now I believe this is Backyard Bullion's writing. I've ordered a number of things from Backyard Bullion in the past, so I've come to recognise his writing. And also I know his PO box now, and that is on the back of this parcel. I'm going to go straight into it. I've got the 365 days of Silver Blade there. Needs a clean really. Does the job. These are really cool. These are the boxes that Backyard Bullion uses to send out his items. And they're just really handy. They come in really handy for when you send things on to other people as well. They're like the perfect size to put inside a jiffy bag. So really, really cool. Let's have a look what we've got. Oh, that's cool. So I ordered 5 American Silver Eagles and these were from his buy-in service. His second-hand buy-in service where he offers to sell people's precious metals for them. Now I believe he takes £1 from every sale per ounce of silver. And I can't remember how much he charges to sell gold. I think it might be like £20 an ounce or something like that. So it's one of those things where it's such a quick, easy way to sell your precious metals. Because when Backyard Bullion lists these items on his website or on YouTube or on the Silver Forum or wherever he decides to sell them, they normally go within a matter of hours. So it's definitely a place that if you want to part of your precious metals, it's somewhere you know that you can sell them very, very quickly for a small fee. And also if you're a buyer using his buyer service like I have here, not only are you getting a great deal because he has them for very competitive prices, you also know that they're the real deal because he tests every single thing before he sells it. So it's a win-win really. Not only are you getting second-hand pre-owned silver, therefore avoiding the VAT, you're also getting a piece of silver that you know has been on the Sigma machine and you know for a fact that it's real silver. Now these are all the older Type 1 American Silver Eagles. And the reason I picked these up is because I'm trying to fill this tube. So you can see we've got 5 here and they're in strange capsules, really like large capsules. I don't know whether that's the way they arrived to Backyard Bullion or whether he just decided to put them in these old capsules that he had sitting around just to protect them in transport. But either way, they're going to come out of the capsules now and they're going to go into the tube. Now they're actually really, really good condition. I reckon these might have come straight out of a tube because they're not dinged around or anything like that. Really, really nice. This is still one of my favourite bullion coins. Such a gorgeous piece of silver. I really like the fact that they've got a kind of frosted background. And I also really like the fact that they've got this kind of, it's almost like a concave type effect. It's really hard to explain unless you've actually held one of these coins. But a coin actually almost kind of curves in. And they just feel really, really nice in the hand. Such a gorgeous coin. Get these out of the capsules. Let me know in the comment section what these capsules are for. I'm not sure what would fit in these because they're quite large. They're not the standard size capsule. I will keep hold of them because they're handy to have if I order something that's maybe like a 2-ounce coin or something like that I need them for. So yeah, really, really cool. I don't know exactly how many we need to fill this tube. Now these tubes are tubes of 20, unlike Britannia's where they're tubes of 25. The American Silver Eagle tubes are 20 coins. I'm not exactly sure how many we have, so let's have a quick count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19. So we're so close to filling this tube. Literally need one more Type 1 American Silver Eagle. So really, really cool. It's nice to buy these empty tubes to motivate yourself to fill them. Look at that. One more needed. And then we have it. A full tube of Type 1 American Silver Eagles for the YouTube stack. Now you probably noticed that this also fell out of that package that I just unboxed. Now this is something I had custom made, and I'm not actually going to showcase it on this video because I'm going to save that for a future video. But what I am going to say is if you want to be in for a chance of winning this, you have to be a member of Stacker Social. Now for those of you that haven't heard of Stacker Social, it's literally a Telegram group that I created, and it's where like-minded people can have a chat. Now there's lots of different conversations that go on in Stacker Social. It's not just precious metal related. There's people talking about crypto, people talking about different types of investments, people sharing deals that they found on other bullion websites, and people just sharing their pickups. And it's a really cool place for people to just socialize. So if you want to be in for a chance of winning what is inside here, please head over to the link in the description of this video. Download Telegram if you haven't already. Sign up to Stacker Social. You don't have to display your telephone number. You don't have to display your real name or anything like that. My name on there is 365 Days of Silver. So it's completely anonymous. It's a place where you can talk like WhatsApp, but without displaying your telephone number. You need to go into the privacy settings and disable your telephone number because it will ask for your telephone number to sign up, just to kind of verify your account and everything. But it's a really safe place to have a chat. We've got 4 administrators in there, 4 moderators, myself, Future Investments, the Stack Collector, and Cobra Stacker. We're all moderators, so any kind of spam or anything like that gets deleted very quickly. Now we haven't had any case of that at the moment. I think there's about 60 members in there so far. So yeah, like I said, do head over, do join the Telegram group, and I will announce in a future video how you can win this. And like I said, this is only going to be given to people that are actually members of Stacker Social, because it's a way of saying thank you very much for all the support and for heading over and for joining. So yeah, it's a really, really cool little piece, and I will show you what is in there, like I said, in the future video. So as always, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. One more Type 1 American Silver Eagle is needed to complete that tube. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day. Now these are all the older Type 1 Libertads, older Type 1 American Silver Eagles,